Good morning everyone. My name is Mansi Sanjay Kumar Suryanshi and my today's topic is the drug target and the cell receptor. A biological target is a biopolymer such as a protein or a nucleic acid whose activity can be modified by the external stimulus. It can refer to biological target of a pharmacologically active drug component or the receptor target of the hormone like insulin. Then types of target is G protein coupled receptor, enzymes, ligand gated ion channels and the voltage gated ion channels, and fifth one is the nuclear hormone receptor. Then the mechanism of drug target is the interaction between the substance and the target may be non-covalent, reversible and the irreversible covalent. Then in first is enzyme. They are the protein catalyze increasing the rate of the chemical reaction and the enzymatic reaction. The molecule of beginning of the process called substrate, and they are converted into the different molecule called product. And the application of the enzymes are food processing, baby foods, fruit juice and the biological detergent. Then second is ligand gated ion channels. These are the inotropic receptor or the channel link receptor. They are a group of the transmembrane ion channel that are open or closed in the response to binding of the chemical messenger such as neurotransmitter. There is conformational changes in the part of structure that allows to ions such as sodium, calcium, magnesium, hydrogen. And then next part is a G protein coupled receptor. It binds a ligand and active a membrane protein called as G protein, and the activated G protein then interact with either an ion challenge or an enzyme in a membrane. Before the ligand binds, the inactive G protein can bind to site on the specific receptor, and G protein binds to receptor, changes the shape and become active and divided into three subunit alpha, beta and gamma. Nuclear receptor. These are class of protein found within the cell that are responsible for the sensing steroid and the thyroid hormone and the certain other molecules. It have ability to directly bind to the DNA and regulate the expression of gene, and they are activated by the lipid soluble signal that cross plasma membrane. The example is steroid and hormones. And then the once activated most function as the transcription factor to the control gene expression for the numerous biological process, and it regulates the gene therapy. Then voltage gated ion channel. In that, voltage is sensitive and it conformational changes in the response to the potential gradient and generally ion specific. Role in the regulation of the depolarization and the polarization of the neuronal membrane during an action potential, and it distributed along the axon and the soma of the neuron. Thank you everyone.